BodyBreak.
BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Oh, yeah.
If you'd like to surprise your guests with a refreshing dessert to top off the meal, this parfait will do the trick.
It has fresh strawberries, a zest of lemon, crunchy granola, and creamy filling. This low-fat dessert looks too good to eat, is easy to make. Here's how.
Prepare the fruit glaze according to the directions on the package and stir in half of the cut strawberries. In a mixing bowl, dissolve half an envelope of unflavored gelatin in boiling water. Slowly add the low-fat sweetened condensed milk and mix well. While stirring, pour in the lemon juice. Then add 1 cup of food source fat-free dressing and blend until smooth. This fat-free dressing provides the creamy texture and additional taste to the filling without additional fat and calories. Then stir in the lemon rind. In each parfait glass, add sliced strawberries, creamy filling, and top with glaze. Repeat the layers, chill for 2 to 4 hours or overnight before serving. Then top with a sprinkle of low-fat granola.
You can also change the refreshing taste of this parfait by simply adding different fruit. You might want to make this recipe in small plastic containers and freeze them so you have them on hand for your lunch bag.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.
Joe, where are the spoons?
BodyBreak.
BodyBreak.